Koutou katoa, it's Mrs. Goodson here, and this video is about collecting data in a table for a chemistry investigation, and it's for Level 1 Science with a focus on chemistry. So this is the results table that you'll be given in your report. So we'll move on. This is how you could possibly fill it out. Let's explain each part of it. So this is where you would write the independent variable. So this is going to change depending on the aim that you were given. So it could be temperature, it could be concentration, as in my example, could be surface area. And down in this column here, you're going to list the different values that you're going to test at. So remember, if you're going to do temperature, you have to measure the actual temperature with the thermometer. Okay, but concentration at Level 1 Science, we're going to do percentage. And the thing we're going to measure is the time for the cross to disappear, and we need to make sure that you include the units. All these little details matter. Okay. Now, for trial 1, you're going to put your results in here, trial 2 here, and trial 3 there, and then you're going to add these together, divide by how many there are, and write the average in there. Now, if you do a trial where you just think it does not fit the pattern and it's not a close number, then you will have plenty of time to do it again. But if you don't do it again and you write the value in here, then you would just circle it and say it's an outlier. In your report, you can describe it as an outlier. Okay, so you just put a star next to it and say we'll not include that in our average. But actually, in this uh, investigation that you're going to do, you will have plenty of time to do repeats. Okay, so what makes a good result table? Clear headings with units, organized from the highest to the lowest or the lowest to the highest number. So they're in order. That means that you'll be able to see any patterns really quickly. You want to use the same units throughout the table. So if you've measured minutes and seconds, you need to change it to seconds. Okay. You calculate the averages and remember to round, just round to the nearest whole second. And outliers are circled and ignored in the averages. But as I said, you'll have plenty of time to do repeats, which would be good practice. So this video has been about drawing a results table with the correct headings, including units. You need to use a stopwatch, and so that means you're going to have to change minutes and seconds into seconds. Remember, there's 60 seconds in a minute, so you will record seconds in your results table. And you need to make really accurate measurements with your measuring cylinders to get the values as close to each other as you can. They're not going to be exactly the same, but you want to make accurate measurements. And if you get some outliers, then you're going to leave them out and repeat it.